charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual contact of a minor.
The case against Timothy Busfield is taking a darker turn tonight, as prosecutors revealed disturbing details behind the charges now facing the Emmy Award-winning actor.
Foremost, it's important to emphasize that the defendant, Timothy Busfield, is presumed innocent and until and unless he is proven guilty in a court of law.
At a news conference in Albuquerque, Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman confirmed that the case has formally advanced to district court and the stakes are rising fast. Bregman began with a reminder of the law, stating, "The defendant, Timothy Busfield, is presumed innocent and until and unless he is proven guilty in a court of law."
An arrest warrant for the defendant was issued on January 9th, 2026, and approved by my office. 5 days later, the defendant voluntarily turned himself in and was booked into the Metropolitan Detention Center in Albuquerque on January 13th.
But prosecutors then laid out a timeline they say speaks volumes. According to Bregman, an arrest warrant for Busfield was issued on January 9th, 2026, and approved by his office. Busfield is now charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual contact of a minor under the age of 13 and 1 count of child abuse.
The defendant is currently charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual contact of a minor, child under 13, and 1 count of child abuse.
Prosecutors allege the incidents occurred on the set of the television series The Cleaning Lady, filmed in Albuquerque. The district attorney confirmed the case has now been transferred to district court. A hearing before Judge Murphy is scheduled for January 20th, 2026 at 2 p.m., where the court will decide whether Busfield remains in custody or is released pending trial.
The case has now been transferred to district court. Judge Murphy will have a hearing on January 20th at 2 p.m. to determine whether the defendant will remain in custody or be released pending trial.
Busfield, who is married to actor Melissa Gilbert, is known for roles in The West Wing, Field of Dreams, and 30-something, a performance that earned him an Emmy Award in 1991. Now, with formal charges filed and the court preparing its next move, Timothy Busfield's future, both legal and personal, hangs in the balance. The case also intersects with recently filed courtroom documents referencing allegations involving a 16-year-old girl, details that prosecutors say are now part of the broader legal record. More problems for Timothy Busfield. New charges and questions about his future now shadow the actor. New Mexico prosecutors have detailed a new allegation of sexual abuse in a court filing dated January 14, 2026. The actor is accused of groping a then 16-year-old girl during an audition at the B Street Theater in Sacramento, California, where he was a co-founder and former artistic director. Prosecutors say he allegedly, quote, kissed her and put his hands down her pants and touched her privates, end quote, several years ago. The alleged victim's father reported the incident to law enforcement on January 13, 2026, the same day Busfield surrendered to authorities in New Mexico. Prosecutors say the family initially did not report the alleged abuse after Busfield said he would seek therapy. Busfield has not been criminally charged in California, but the allegation was included in the motion to keep him detained as he faces child sex abuse charges in New Mexico related to the cleaning lady. Earlier in New Mexico, Busfield appeared via video from jail, silent and expressionless, as the court ordered him held without bond on child sex abuse charges.
Thank you, counsel. That's correct. It looks like a probable cause was found on January the 9th at the time the warrant for Mr. Busfield's arrest was issued. And Mr. Busfield, the state has filed an expedited motion for pretrial detention in this case, sir. That means you will continue to be held without bond pending your hearing before the district court, sir. That hearing will take place within the next 5 business days. Your deadline for preliminary hearing is going to be January the 29th, sir.